What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's time to talk about Quant and a price prediction on Quant. Is Quant heading toward the next round level of $200? And is this resistance? We're going to get into it in this video and break it down, talk about where the price of Quant could be heading. Now, let's take a look at Quant real quick. And currently, we're still ranked number 30. Quant has made some just huge strides in the last month. It's been insane to watch Quant in the last month come from around $99 all the way to $184 yesterday. It set its 10-month high that it hadn't seen since early January of this year. That's, of course, when the bear market was starting to set in and we didn't quite know where crypto was heading. But and again, in the last month, Quant has surged, and look at it. It has just continued to make new all-time highs. This was the big sell-off after the CPI data came out, right? Got down to about 140. This is where I got in. Now, some may say I'm late to the table, but hey, at least I'm in. I don't think I'm that late either. But yeah, it got down here to about 143. And look at this surge after the bounce. I mean, that is just crazy what's happened in the last 3 short days, just from that move alone. So let's jump in and talk about where Quant could be heading next and if $200 is possible. So the Quant token price is moving fast towards the sky zone. Against the weak sentiments of the crypto market, Quant has been a mover and a shaker, and it's the only crypto that has delivered more than 100% gains in the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the past 2 months. Think about that. The price action so far is forming a high and a high-low price structure. The bears are far from the Quant token right now, and they continue to ignore the sell-off in this crypto, even though the crypto faces a retracement phase that could be upcoming. This incredible rally is affecting new investors day by day. We can clearly see it in the increase in trading volume. Now, buyers have a key support zone at the ascending triangle trend line, which stays far below the current price of Quant. Okay. So that is a factor that we'll have to watch. Eventually, people are going to start taking profits. There's no doubt about it. So let's get into the big question of $200. Could we see it? Well, we have to look at the RSI. That's one of our indicators. It's remaining in the overbought zone. It's been overbought for quite some time, yet people still aren't taking a ton of profits. Now, we have our support line at $150. So that's, again, a big tumble from here. And eventually people will take profits. So if you're sitting on the sideline waiting to get in, I would not be chasing this right now as Quant is setting all-time highs. Eventually, we're going to get a pullback. Quant, I love it for the long term, but I'm actually hoping for a pullback, maybe even down to this $100 support level, which is our second level after 150. And they have current resistance set at 200 and 250 right now. The Quant token price is headed towards the next ideological round level of $200. This zone may interrupt more positive moves. Bulls need to hold asset prices either before the retracement phase occurs. In other words, technical indicators are showing positively in Quant crypto. So it depends on which indicators you look at, though, right? Because if you look at the RSI, it's overbought. But if you look at the volume and just the new addresses that are coming in, things are looking great. Volume still up over 108, now $110 million in the last 24 hours. And it's not really slowing down. There's the 1 day, there's the 7 day. So yeah, a couple choppy valleys here. We retrace back to like 178, and we pop back up. Then we hit up into 186 range, which has been our high so far. Then we come back down to about 180, and then we pop back up. Right now, we're on a little bit of an upswing, okay? And we'll see if we top out again at like 186 and then come back down. We've been kind of had this choppy volatility right now, all the way back up to like 186 has been our resistance so far. And if we take a look at how high it's been just in the last couple of weeks or so, last 30 days, that's our local high right now. 187.75 is our local high in the last 90 days. Now, all-time high, $428. We're about 57% off of that. That was set way back on September 11th in 2021. So when you ask yourself, am I still early to Quant? Well, the answer could be yes, if you're looking at it as a long-term hold. And it's gained a lot of traction here in the last few months, given that it's solving the issue of interoperability amongst blockchains and the fact that government agencies could be backing Quant because of their tech. That's what I've got for you here in this video. Let me know what you think about it down below. Appreciate you guys stopping by. We'll see you in the next video.